The NRS Vapor is an economically priced PFD that doesn't skimp on features. It's a side entry vest made with ultralight foam flotation. The Vapor's low-profile, contoured design is ideal for fitness paddling and makes for easier re-entry during a rescue. The Roomy Zippered chest pocket stores essentials for a day on the water. Important features like a hand-warming pocket and a lash tab for a knife or strobe aren't overlooked. The NRS Vapor offers recreational paddlers performance-inspired features at an affordable, entry-level price.